Many people feel stressed, but don't know where it comes from. Is it mental, physical, or nervous system overload? At Smart Healing, we explore how artificial intelligence and Ayurveda help us understand stress not as a weakness, but as information. Part 1. What stress really is. Stress is not just an emotion. It is a physiological state controlled by your nervous system. When your body feels unsafe emotionally or physically, it activates survival mode. Your heart rhythm changes. Your breathing becomes shallow. Your digestion slows down. Over time, this creates fatigue, anxiety, poor sleep, and low energy. The problem is not stress itself. The problem is not knowing when your body never leaves it. Part 2. How AI actually measures stress. Artificial intelligence does not read your thoughts. It reads patterns. Technology 1. Heart rate variability, HRV. One of the most important signals is heart rate variability, or HRV. A flexible heart rhythm means your nervous system can adapt. A rigid rhythm often means chronic stress or poor recovery. Examples concretes. Smart rings, wearable watches, sleep trackers. AI analyzes this data over time, not one moment, to detect nervous system fatigue. Technology 2. Sleep and recovery algorithms. AI also looks at sleep stages, micro-awakenings, nighttime heart rate. Even if you sleep 8 hours, your nervous system may not be resting. Stress is often visible during sleep, not during the day. Part 3. What Ayurveda says about this. Ayurveda described this long before technology. When the nervous system is overstimulated, Vata dosha becomes imbalanced. Signs include light sleep, racing thoughts, cold hands and feet, digestive irregularity. Ayurvedic remedy number 1, daily grounding. Ayurveda teaches that the nervous system calms through regularity. Simple habit. Same sleep time. Same meal time. Warm food in the evening. Ayurvedic plant number 1, ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is known as an adaptogenic herb. It supports the nervous system's ability to recover from stress. Part 4, where AI and Ayurveda work together. AI tells you when your nervous system is overloaded. Ayurveda tells you how to restore balance. Example concrete. If AI shows low HRV, poor deep sleep, Ayurveda recommends slower evenings, warm cooked meals, breathing practices, reduced screen stimulation. Simple practice. Try this tonight. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat for 3 minutes. This directly signals safety to your nervous system. Part 5. Why this matters. Healing doesn't start with fixing. It starts with understanding. AI gives us awareness. Ayurveda gives us wisdom. In the next videos, we'll explore Ayurvedic herbs for nervous system calm, evening routines for better sleep, and how to use technology wisely, not obsessively. Subscribe if you believe the future of healing is both ancient and intelligent.